Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T. We are here with Klaiyi here, as you guys can see, and I'm excited because we have one of their newest constructions of wig. So this is their 7x5 bye-bye knots wig. As you guys can see, this is the old knots and this is the new knots we get. Look at her. Okay, not only is it pre-plucked and come with baby hairs, but baby, they bleached it. Not they bleached it. Yes, they bleached it. They freaking bleached the knot. So I'm super hyped. Okay, let's just get into it. So we're gonna put her on her head because, like I said, I'm excited. Okay, I'm excited. So this wig, definitely I would recommend for a beginner straight out the box, because look at this. Baby, don't play. Klaiyi did not come to freaking play. Now y'all know how I like my baby hairs, so we gonna do something a little different with them. So this is the overall construction of the wig. Like I said, it's a 7x5 wear and go wig. The texture of the hair is water wave, and she's 24 inches, and it's 180% in density, and it's natural color. Okay, this is the band. You can wear it glueless. You can wear it however you like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start off by tinting the lace, because if you guys seen what it looked like in the last clip, it needed to be matched with my skin tone. So I'm just going in with some of my Kiss Temptation spray, and we're just gonna dry that down, and we're gonna put it back on our head. And boom. Do y'all not see how this is giving freaking scalp? Like, don't play with Klaiyi. Klaiyi, y'all really did y'all thing, okay? Because this is, okay, it's just blowing my mother freaking mind. It's just like, how y'all okay, they sending out scalp in the mail. Let me find out. Don't play with them. So we're just gonna go ahead and prep our wig by going in with our wax stick, and we're just gonna hot comb that bad boy down. Y'all know sometimes I switch my mind. It's what is it? It's fall now. In the summertime, I like to keep my roots nice and natural and curly, but since it's, you know, it's about to be cold outside, so we can straighten those roots just a little bit. Already comes pre-plucked. I did not go in and personally pluck this unit at all. This is what you getting out the box. I didn't go in, like I said, and bleach the knots, because it came like this. Okay, I didn't do nothing but plop it on my head like you guys seen, and put it on. Now, you guys can wear it glueless. I'm not going to do that today. I'm actually going to secure it down, but right now, as I'm, you know, doing these steps, it is glueless. I haven't secured it down or not, okay? But you can do it how you want, and I'm just gonna push the baby hairs back into the unit because I cannot secure it down with those in the way. Okay, we're gonna pull them back out later. So now we're just going in with a little bit of my EBIN spray. Okay, y'all see I brought EBIN back out. I should have had EBIN out in the summertime and had my Kiss lace spray out for the winter, because I feel like they both work the same, but it's just something about EBIN and that hold that is just ridiculous. Okay, so I'm back to my EBIN spray. I love this because, like I said, this is 7x5 it's like a closure, you know, so I don't have that much what is it, lace to adhere down. So that's why I say it's perfect for beginners, because you're not really working with too much lace. Okay, I let that dry and get a little bit tacky, and then I'm just gonna align that product with where I place, I'm gonna align my wig with where I place that product at, and we're just gonna lay it on down. And baby, don't tell me where did the lace go? Stop playing with me. Like, literally, if you guys are not seeing what I'm seeing, okay, I was trying to get close and personal. I tried to fix the setting of my camera so you guys can see what I'm seeing in real life. This wig just melted into that forehead like no other. Now, I thought it was laid down. Y'all thought it was laid down too, didn't y'all? That's why I say you don't even need to secure it down, because it literally was sitting there like it was. But y'all know, I just lifted it back and just added a little bit more because I really wanted to be there, but y'all got fooled too, because y'all thought that was laid down. So yeah, we're just gonna wait till this layer gets a little bit tacky, and we're gonna just lay this down. I like to go in with my little comb and press it down as well, because this is gonna get you that meltage that you're looking for. So now I'm just going to go in with my EBIN lace melt, and I'm just going to put this out on the outside of the lace so it can melt just a little bit better. For certain, I don't know, we'll be able to the light, because from certain angles it look melted and from certain angles it does not. So we just gonna put a little bit more lace melt on it, and we're gonna put our elastic band on, and we're gonna let it sit. All right, so I don't know what happened to my camera. I didn't get footage of me taking off the elastic band, but that's neither here or there. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the baby hairs that were in the unit. I was actually I was gonna do a side part, but I changed my mind because y'all know I've just been obsessing with these middle parts, so I just can't let them go. And plus it came with a middle part, so I'm like, why not? Because for beginners, they're gonna want the wig to be installed the way it pretty much came. But yeah, so that's why I didn't do a side part as well. But you can, look, you can even style it up, half down. This wig, you have so many styles that you can do. I'm just going in with a little bit of my Got To Be glue spray, and I'm just going to go ahead and swoop my baby hairs. Now, y'all know my Got To Be glue spray in a can has been my go-to for adhering my baby hairs down. Lately, I just love this method. Also, once you mold them, you can actually comb them out, and it can be light and fluffy, because I know a lot of people do not like that hard molded look. I do, but you don't have to. So you can just literally comb them out after you mold them, and they will literally stay in place. I found that out because I was doing that the other day. I was like, oh, I can literally just comb these out and they can be light and fluffy. I might do them in another video, but not today, okay? We'll go in and do our little middle part. I just want my middle part to be nice and defined, so I'm just taking some concealer and just defining the part. Y'all, this freaking hairline looks good because baby, bye bye knots, they just did that. I'm also taking this Temptation spray in the shade black and just, you know, closing up the part a little bit. It was too wide when I defined it, and now I'm just going in to define the front of my hair. Y'all know I like doing those bumps in the front, so that's why I'm just taking my hairspray to do that. But the focal point, first of all, you can't even tell me this is not a closure because, baby, it's giving full lace frontal. Don't play with it. And also, where are these knots? Like, baby, I'm still trying to locate them. Them knots was like, bye-bye, especially far away. Look at far away. Baby, scalp, 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 scalp. But anyway, I'm just fluffing out the hair and showing you guys that this is how I make the hair look more thicker. You can also comb it out. I'm gonna do that later. But look how full this looks. And this is, I think, 180% intensity. I love it, okay? So if I would wear it out of the box without putting any water on it, this is what it would give. And she is giving. Don't play with her. Don't play with her. And look at this. I had to turn around to show you guys the goodness. This is water wave hair, and look at her. Nice and full. And of course, I had to show you guys again up close the closure, okay? Now I'm just going out, well, in to detangle her for the first time, and I did get shedding. I ain't gonna lie, I didn't pluck it. I don't know, it's because, you know, it's already pre-plucked, but I did get a little bit of shedding, so that's expected. Tangling, non-existent. Not saying that it's not ever gonna tangle, but I didn't personally experience any tangling. It just glided through the hair. So we're just gonna add water on it because of course it's water wave hair, so we want to see what she's gonna give with the water in it. And this is gonna be pretty much it to today's video. So I'm gonna rate this wig 10 out of 10, okay? For all my girls who love to wear curly hair during the winter time, I definitely would recommend this wig for you, especially for the girls who are beginners. Baby, get you this wig. I'm telling you, it's gonna be super easy to install. Minimal lace, pre-plucked hairline, pre-bleached hairline. Baby, what more can you ask for? And it comes with baby hair, so you have a guideline for baby hair. This wig is a 10 out of 10 in my book. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and until my next one, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.